What is going on, everybody? Ask and you shall receive. So I'm in the country, looking, going through these older towns, and I'm like, man, I really want to find a church again. I got a video of an 1880s church in Iowa. Right now, I don't really know where. Anybody home? I'm by Centralia, Illinois, so southern Illinois. And I've been dying to... The good thing about this place is I actually think they're trying to restore it. Because, for one, safety harnesses, and there's scaffolding outside. Real pretty. Who doesn't love stained glass? Anybody home? Yeah, concrete and pretty. Majestic. Hope y'all are doing good. Anybody home? Hope y'all are having a good... Wow. Hope y'all are having a good life. Hope everything's going good for y'all. Alright, I could be here. This is the men's room. I have an odd obsession with old books. I love old books, and come on. This might have been from like a learning thing that they were doing with the school or with the church. A Country Doctor's Common Sense Health Manual. That is awesome. 1993. Sermon of the Sea. New Testament Hours. Revisited edition. I absolutely love old books. That old Bible. Man, that is something else. Starts on page 65, so it's missing some. Let's not ruin it at all. That's really beautiful, though. I know this is mundane, but I put everything exactly the way I found it. It's not my place to be messing with stuff, but I'm just so interested. Okay, I know you guys didn't click in to see books. Went there. Is that the pastor's study? There's usually... yeah. I don't know why I've become synonymous with... Anybody home? Oh, no, God, unless you're a fish. Let's not go to the bottom step, because I don't feel like swimming. I got my Sunday best on. I can't... You guys are seeing more than me right now. They say the GoPro is waterproof. Let's go test that theory out. There's a fire hydrant there. Ain't that pretty, huh? It's nice. Lots of pews. Last church I did, I was in Cairo. I made a compilation video in Cairo, and there was one pew. And here there's pew, 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 pew. Oh my God, that was lame. Beautiful, huge American flag. I wonder what was up there. Some kind of picture. Oh, look at all the lighting. I didn't even notice that. I like... Wow, that ceiling is gone. I like when I don't see something, and one of my incredible subscribers writes me and says, dude, did you see this at so-and-so time, or hear this at so-and-so time? Laser line. So these are probably cassettes, I'm assuming, for whatever. This, yeah, missing door. Really, really pretty. What? Damn. pretty. It's out of 2.5, so it doesn't work, but still. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm sorry it's kind of a shorter one, but it's a freaking church, man. That's just absolutely serene thinking about you know, them putting on whatever. Obviously they put on shows and stuff because they got that beautiful mural. It's gorgeous stained glass lighting for whoever was up here. I didn't see anything with a date on it. That's, you guys know, that's one thing I look for. But it's absolutely beautiful. Nothing but respect on this channel. Crime Stoppers of Marion County? 29th August 2006. This cannot have been sitting here since 2006. Come on. What? Sad thing is, even if they try to renovate the place, the basement's flooded. So, I don't want to say fruitless effort, but yeah, the container full of gloves. What are these books? I don't want to mess with anything. There's like some kind of a, oh yeah, a suitcase full of cassettes. That would have been up there, like I thought. What kind of books are these? They're made with like carpet. Legit carpet. Maybe to preserve the, I don't know. Speculation. All right, y'all. Thanks for taking this little journey with me. Sorry it wasn't longer, but it was still beautiful. Comment, do whatever. You guys know how to work YouTube. And I will see you in the next one. All right? Love y'all.